Hi there guys and girls, good evening. As you can see, Sir Michael, we're on having a good color combination, blue and pink, right? It's a nice combination. Say
Yes.
hi.
Hi! Again and again, I'm inviting you to come in David Salon, Santa Lucia branch. Look for Mr. Michael.
Do you have any jokes? I have jokes. I pick up line. Sorry, I have pick up line. Lost and found ka ba? Sabi no, bakit?
Bakit?
Kasi hanapin mo, nawawala ang puso ko para sa'yo. Bye!